to say.
Hi guys, it's been a while since I had done an unboxing video. So let's unbox this one first. So I think inside of this is a mini speaker and like some mini microphone. So I can practice while singing, and my dad ordered this for me. So guys, this is what we got. Tylex portable karaoke machine, microphone and speaker, model XSP30. Okay guys, let's unbox it now. Let's see what's inside. Whoa! Oh, here is the charger, I think. Let's try to grab it out. It's so hard. So guys, this is what we got. Let's take this out. It's the microphone. It's so cute. There's little cute buttons too. Let's see. Wow. There's tape. It's so cute. It even has a handle. Let's see what the buttons are. These are the volume buttons, and I think this is the power button. So at the back, here is the charging, which is Type C, SD card, and USB and earphone. So let's see the box. The specifications: transmission distance 33 feet, and output power 5 watts. So there are 3 colors: beige, blue, and pink. My dad ordered a pink one for me. Let's try this. On. Okay.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Okay.
Hello? It works! It works, guys! I can use this for my practice.
It automatically connects when you
Click the power button and the power button here and long press this. You will connect the microphone to the speaker. To check the difference, I will click the power button.
So
I will click the power button now.
okay. So this is the my voice without the microphone, and
This is my voice with the microphone.
so let's try to connect on our cell phone. So first, you have to put your Bluetooth on and click for XSP30. Bluetooth pairing request. Pair with XPSAP. Press.
Connected.
Let's try. So it's connected on our cell phone. Let's try it. Let's try it with the microphone.
small but really loud.
This purchase is amazing. My favorite things about this device are you can change your voice or you can use voice effects. It's really funny and cool.
Baby sound effect. Dodge mode.
Hi. Hi.
Goddess sound effect.
Hello.
Uncle sound effect.
Hello.
Monster sound effect.
So again, this is Tylex portable karaoke machine, microphone and speaker, type X SE30. And my dad bought it from Lazada for only 560 pesos. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's really been a long time since I haven't made an unboxing video, but I hope you like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye!
Baby sound effect. Dodge mode.
Hi.
Goddess sound effect.
Hello.
Uncle sound effect.
Hello.
Monster sound effect.
Hello.
Baby sound effect. Dodge mode.
Hello. Normal voice.
Goddess sound effect.
Hello.
Uncle sound effect. Monster.
Hey.
Baby sound effect. Dodge mode.
Hey.
Normal voice yun eh.
Goddess sound effect.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Uncle sound effect.
Hello.
Hello. Next one.
Monster sound effect.
Hello.
Hello.
Baby sound effect.